Dumela, welcome back to Sona class. Today we are going to learn 6 most important phrases. We are going to learn them in their formal form and informal form. So the first word we are going to learn is ke a leboga, which means thank you. Ke a leboga. The second word is tswetswe. Well, tswetswe means please. Tswetswe, please. The third word is kisiami. Kisiami means I'm okay or I'm fine, but it mainly means I'm okay. The fourth word is ke kopa thuso. This means I'm asking for help. Maybe you're lost or you want to ask something, or yeah, ke kopa thuso is like I'm asking for your help. I'm asking for help. The fifth word is A. A simply means yes. A. The sixth word is nyaya. Nyaya means no. Nya. Okay, now we are going to learn these same words in their informal form. So the word ke a leboga, you're going to say thank you. Maybe somebody, your colleague or your friend, age mate, somebody younger than you. You don't have to be formal with them. Somebody you don't have to be formal with, you're just gonna say thank instead of ke a leboga. Thank. Well, thank, it's a word that was borrowed or taken from the Afrikaans language. Dankie. The second word is still going to continue. Tswetswe is formal and informal. Tswetswe. Kisiami, you're going to say ke sharp. Now, if you remember on the other lesson, we also said this. Sharp means good. So ke sharp, kisiami, I'm okay. Ke sharp, I get talking to, so ke sharp. The fourth word is nsizera. This is like informal of saying please help me. Nsizera is like help me. Nsize is the word borrowed from Zulu or Ndebele, which means help. I'm asking for help. For A, you're going to say yeah, just like in English. Yeah, ish. Yeah, ke a dumela. Yeah, hey, hotad. Yeah, ke a tlhaloganya. So that's how you're gonna say yes, informal way. You can still say A. It's also informal or formal. A, it's more clear, depending on the situation that you're having a conversation about. Number 6, you're going to say ae. Ae is no. It's in formal way, like ae tamana ke what? Ae. I get to so ae. Ntogele. So that's how you're going to say no in informal way. Ae. We've come to the end of this class. Thank you so much for watching these videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe if you haven't done that. Your support really means a lot. It's a lot of encouragement to all continue doing these videos. So thank you so much. Ngwaga o mošwa, go feta le re kopana gape mo nakong e e tlang. Salansen.